how are you doing? I hope you are doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Claire and today I'll be showing you how to prepare chips masala. So subscribe down below if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. So let us get started. So for chips masala, we are going to need our chips and I will show you how I cooked them. We'll need some fresh tomatoes. I prefer using fresh tomatoes compared to using ketchup. We'll need some dhania. This is 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Some green bell pepper. Some cooking oil. Soy sauce. And for our spices, we're going to need some turmeric powder, some paprika, some garlic powder, garam masala, Royco mchuzi mix, and some tomato paste and a little bit of salt to taste. So let us get started. guys, our chips masala is finally ready. It didn't take long to prepare and it's so delicious. Definitely try this recipe out and I'm sure you're going to enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. Until next time guys, bye.